Hello everyone. Welcome to Fever Academy. I hope everyone doing good. I'm super excited to happy to meet you all with another interesting topic. Today I'm just going to talk about the famous one and trending topic Chat GPT. If you are watching this video without subscribing, I would request to subscribe the channel and help in the channel growth. Without further delay, let's get into the video. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a chatbot launched by OpenAI in November 2022. ChatGPT it is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allow you to have a human-like conversation and much more with a chatbot. So, for example, if I'm asking some questions, so the AI engines will go back and try to get me the answers what I am looking for it. So it is completely different from search engines. Search engines will give you the search results, but this one, if for example, if I am asking for a Python script or something else, this will be giving anyway. I'm going to show, so you no need to worry about it. I'm just going to do what, but it will be giving a clarity. There is a more difference between this is not a search engine, so don't do a comparison with the search engine of it. So yes, the language model can answer the questions, assist you with the tasks such as composing emails. As I said, you can ask like I want to write an email, it will help you on it, essays and quotes. Currently this is in a public, so that because it is a free, you can go and use it on it. Because ChatGPT it is in a research and it is in a feedback collection phase, so that all you need to just visit this page. I'll be giving in the description, you don't need to worry about it. So what you need to do is you need to go and just sign in with your registered numbers and those things. And once you are done, you can start working on this. Okay, so let's go. I have already signed it. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see this web page. So it will be like an interaction. So if I said hi, so AI will be replying back with it. It have an intelligence. So that is what artificial intelligence is there. So it will give me like if I am responding to the hi. So it is again, as I said, it is in a uh, testing phase. So you will see a slight slowness and those things will be there. Uh, Probably once they are developed, it is again at a development stage. So that's why you are seeing in things and all. So uh, so you can see that now. I said hi. It is says like hi, how I can help you today. So it gives up more things as well. So as I said earlier, it gives a more difference between the search engine results and here. So how I can use GPT for the cybersecurity field. So because once it's going to be a very useful because it's have a AI, right? So I can automate, I can use this intelligence in my cybersecurity domain, cybersecurity field. So for example, I want to know OS app 20, so top 20. So I just want to know if I am a bug bounty programmer, so I want to try to understand what OSPIP 20 kind of things, what kind of things I need to search in the bug bounty things. So this will go and give me the results of it. So you can see that this started giving me answer like OS app is a application web practices project. It gives me what all this, why it is happening on it. So the top categories is started like injection, broken authentication, session management, cross sectors. So this will be giving a more idea about it. So if I am starting a bug bounty or if I am trying to do the focus on the web application securities, so that these top trends are I need to see whether this applications having this vulnerabilities or this security loopholes are there. So based on that, I can work on it. So this will be, see again, as I said, if you are going in a search result will be a lot of results will be there. But AI will give you a relevant, like it gives you a feel like you are talking with the persons who have intelligence kind of things. Okay, so let's go and try a different thing. Like I want an nmap command to scan network. So let me see if this is able to give me a nmap commands to scan the networks. So yeah, as I said that it will take some time, but it is giving the result over there. So you can see that it gives me a like so you can see what is nmap, and it gives like how to scan the network if I want to do scan the, so it gives me a little information about it. So let's try to see, it can give me a python reverse shell code. So what I'll do is I want a powershell python code. So let's see if it is this able to give me a python reverse shell code. So you can see that I have received the Python uh, a reversal payload code. So all I need to just copy and put it. And again, it comes with some legimatic, it gives me a little description about what this payload does and everything and all that. So it's easy. I can generate a Python script. All I need to just need it, give it. That's what I said, right? So AI, this will give you information like what I wanted. So if you're searching for a Google will give you a lot of information, so like user shared it on it. So this again, it's have artificial intelligence, the script is ready. So this is all you need is just go back and copy paste, and you can execute it. It's very simple. So it's helped me on my automating my cybersecurity things over there. So let me see if I able to perform a nmap scan, perform nmap scan for a website. Perform nmap site. Site is name is scanme. So this scanme.nmap.org is for a testing site. So I'm just scanning on it. So let's see if I able to get the result, or if I let me see if I able to do scanning from here also. So if you see that it is actually I unable to perform the scan, but it's give me a command. All I need to do is just copy and paste it in the command in the Kali Linux so that I can uh, perform a scanning. So this is giving me a scan command. So do it on it. So let me see if I able to create a Python nmap script. So which is an automated kind of thing. So Python uh, nmap scanning script. So you can see that it gave me a script. Only thing is when I just need to change the host name, so that it is just automated script. Once I gave it, the script will be running on it. So now I have a Python nmap script. So let's what I'll do is let me try one more thing. Let me see if it is. Let me go to a site called Cyber Chef, and let me create a base 64 and see if that this AI able to give it on it. CyberSafe is actually very interesting tool. So it's quite interesting. I have made a video on the CyberSafe, how to use it, how it is going to be useful in your cybersecurity field. So please watch out this video. This will be a really helpful. It's actually a very good tool. Okay. So what I need to do is I need to give a hello and let me put a base 64. So this is converted into this one. Okay. What I'll do, yeah, hello. So what I will do is let me copy this one. So you can see that this is actually base 64 encryption. I'm just using it. That's why I'm giving the output. So let me go to the ChatGPT and let me paste. I'm not going to tell anything. I'm just pasting this one and see what is result is coming. So it is actually not giving, but when I was testing, or when I trying for the first time, so I just pasted in the same way it is, gave me the information, like I able to it automatically figure out what kind of it's a base 64 and what is the message. It had the intelligent. Since it is in a testing phase, I cannot sure again same thing might be. So it's not now it's not working. Probably maybe I can give a try, but this has actually worked. So when I tried for the first time, so when I gave the string automatically, it's do it on it. So now it is not working. Probably maybe I have used it since it is in a testing phase, right? So it have a limitations and those things. So might be that is not happening over it. So still continue testing on it. So if I want to have I want a PowerShell cheat sheet. So let's see if that gives on it or not. So I just stopped this one because it will be going longer. But you can get the idea. Like it's giving me a PowerShell cheat sheet. All I need to do is I need to copy it and put it in the notepad text so that I can use this one cheat sheet for in my PowerShell script writing, or when I am wanted something services to be run, or it's if you are part of a red team or something else, it is or different team. So it's easy for you to have a handy PowerShell cheat sheet, so that you can go and do in your investigations and those things as well. So let's try to continue on it. So what I'll do is I need to a PowerShell script. I'm just trying to generate a reverse shell code that execute in a cmd.exe. So let me see if this AI able to give me that. So you can see that, so it's gave me the a PowerShell code, so which is again, it's a kind of a reverse shell code that using this command.exe it will be executed. So easy for me to, I can generate a reverse shell code which is able to execute in a command prompt itself. So see, I can now I have a script. So it's easy for me into creating a script as well. So let's, what I'll do is let me try to let me see, one more thing is convert Python. Okay, what I'll do, how to convert Python code into APK. So let's see if that is gives me an answer for it. Okay, so it gave me the informations like how I can convert the Python code into a APK. So this is very easy way I can do it on it. So disclaimer, I am just making this video for completely educational purpose. So whatever the codes, whatever I'm trying to generate, it just gives you a more idea about it, how I can use this tool in our cybersecurity domain or our daily cybersecurity BAU tasks. Those things you can do it and you can automate your process. This is this is a completely education video to give you knowledge about it. Okay, so don't use it for any illegal purpose, and I'm not responsible for it if you are trying to do it on it. Okay, so let's try to again give more some more informations. So this is a I want to send an email to my client reminding of annual pen testing is there. So let me see whether how I it will, as per their knowledge, they saying that it will help us in creating a email. So you can see that subject is coming annual penetrations, and see it started email writing on email over there. So you can see that it have created an email for me. So only thing is I need to copy paste and do it. So this program help us in creating an email, composing emails as well. So this is very good. So let me see, let me test it. One more thing is let me generate a Python code, create Python code for scanning Wi-Fi. So you can see that now I have a Python script. So all I need when I running in a Python script in a Windows or Linux based one. So this will just let me know like what are the available Wi-Fi SSEs that are near to me available. It can be help me on it. So a simple Python code, it's helped me in generating and creating. It doesn't take me a longer period. So it's easy for me to create also. So let me again one more thing is let me see provide 20 XS payload. Let me see if it is able to give me a payload of it. So you can see that it is again created me a 20 payload. So let's again keep continuing the testing of it. So what we'll do is let me try to see how I can create a Yara rules. So Yara rules is the it's specially used for identifying or classifying the malware. Even I have made a videos how to create a Yara rules, how it will be helping in your malware analysis. Check out this video. This will be an interesting video. I have created a complete malware analysis series. So I'll be giving the link in the description so you can check it over there. So it's gave me the information like how I can create a Yara rule. So using this information, I can create a Yara rule and use to my malware analysis over there. So it's very easy. So what I'll do, let's go and again test it. I need a script to configure Cisco firewall. Let me see. So you can see that now I have got a script which I can configure Cisco firewall. All I need to just give the settings and over there automatically it will be configured easily. So now I have automated script to configure my Cisco firewalls. So this is the easier way. So let me see if I able to install anything packages on like nmap packages and see if I able to install any packages on this using ChatBA. Let me see it on it. Let me give a try. So I enable to install the packages. It's just giving me like the informations only. So there is no, you can see that just giving the command like, yeah. So this is something like what this command does, how you can execute. So that one that it's giving on it. So let me stop generating that. I don't want to waste much time over there. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you think video was useful, please consider subscribing the channel and help in the channel growth. Please reach out to me via Discord, Telegram for any queries, suggestions, and feedback. For YouTube algorithm, please give like and comment. For the channel updates, please follow me on LinkedIn, Telegram, and Discords. Please find the link in the description. All the joining links will be available. Thank you all for watching this video. Bye for now. See you soon with another interesting video. Bye. Take care.